In this video I will show you how to use Disassembler aka Ildasm to view intermediate language code inside DLL or EXE files. Disclaimer. You can view the intermediate language, but not the actual source code, when using the Ildasm tool. For this, open any DLL or EXE file. If you have a project for testing, build that project to generate a DLL or EXE file. Then let's navigate to generate DLL or EXE file. You can see DLL file here. Now to see its intermediate language, go to your Visual Studio. Next click on Tools and then Command Line, and after that click on Developer Command Line. This will open Command Line. There type Ildasm and press Enter. After that click on File and after that click on Open. Now you can copy the path of your DLL or EXE file and then paste in this open address bar. You can see DLL file here. Just click on it and then click on Open button. Here you can see root node as assembly manifest. The nodes below represent namespace, classes and methods within your code. You can expand any node to inspect. You can see this arrow icon. These are mostly public node. Just double-click on it to view its intermediate language. You can see diamond here. This is private classes or methods. You can see S icon here. This is static classes. You can double-click on it to open it. So this intermediate language code is what JIT compiler executes at runtime. If you want to view what is in source file, view my next video here. Also, I will provide it in description. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.